welcome to Art 2 Painting. My name is Miss Becerra, and I've put together a presentation for you just to kind of let you know what my expectations are for the class and what you can look forward to this year. So most of our class is going to be asynchronous, meaning that I'm going to upload the materials for you, the lessons, the assignments, and you're going to do them on your own. It's important that you make sure to do them on the day I assign them, because that's going to be your attendance grade, and you can't get credit for the class unless you're in attendance. Okay, so make sure that you get on the day that you're scheduled for class and that you do your work that day. Okay, in the event that we do face-to-face, virtually and do like one-on-one or small group Zooms, make sure that you treat it with the same respect as you would a real classroom. So you're going to come in, you're going to sit quietly, you're going to turn on your camera, dress appropriately for school, turn off your sound, and get ready to learn, okay? You're going to keep your eyes on me, your mouth closed, and don't be fidgeting and messing around with things, okay? Now, it's really important for this class that you participate. We're going to have discussion boards where we're going to put our opinions about things, and we're going to interact with our classmates and respond to each other's posts, okay? It's a major part of your grade. A lot of times it's going to count for your attendance, so it's really important that you participate fully, okay? When we're doing these, another important thing to remember is to be respectful, okay? Because all classes, but especially art class, can make you feel really vulnerable, and people may not feel confident and they get nervous, and we don't want to make people feel bad. Even though maybe personally in your personal lives you may interact with your friends that way and joke around and be mean, and they act like everything's fine, we don't really know what's going on inside their heads or in their hearts. Okay, so we're going to treat everybody with kindness and respect at all times and be super positive, okay? As far as the Zoom meetings, if we do those, it's important that you go to the restroom before the class starts, just like you would in a real class, because you don't want to miss any important information, okay? If you do have an emergency and you have to go, that's okay. Try to wait until after the instructions, and make sure you turn off your sound and your camera, okay? My late work policy is it needs to be turned in the day it's assigned. So let's say it's assigned on a Tuesday, then it would be due at midnight. If you turn it in at 12:01, you're going to lose points. You're going to lose a full letter grade for every day that it's late. Well, actually, you're going to lose a full letter grade the first day that it's late, and then one for each week after that. I'm only going to go as low as a 70 for late work. So what I mean by that is, let's say you turn it in like 6 weeks late, it's going to go down to a 70. It's not going to go lower than that. However, that's where your grade's going to start. I'm still going to be grading your assignment. So if you're not putting in effort, you're not taking your time, you're not following directions, I'm still going to take points off of that 70. 70 is where it's going to start, okay? So you can fail this class by not putting in effort. Make sure you do your work on time and make sure that you do your best, okay? It's going to be a really awesome year. I know some of us are nervous about doing this virtually, but I promise I am here for you. You can email me anytime. We can do one-on-one meetings if we need to. We can do small group meetings if we need to. I'm here right in front of my computer in my virtual classroom all day, every day, just like at school, okay? It's going to be really fun. I got a lot of really cool stuff for you guys to learn. We can do this. I believe in you, all right? Okay, I'm excited. I hope you are too.